So, good morning. Na. So, about to start the tutorial about the QuickBooks test drive. So, after logging in the QuickBooks, so we'll now see here the dashboard or the home page. So, it shows here in the dashboard the get things done and the business overview. So, in business overview, we can see here the quick analysis of your bank accounts, invoices, sales, the expenses, and the profit and loss. And also on the left side of the screen, we can also see here the navigation bar that consists the dashboard, the banking, sales, customer, and leads, cash flow, expenses, projects, payrolls, reports, taxes, accounting, and my accountant, and so on. So um, here on the navigation bar, we can also see here the create menu. So in the create menu, you can see here the plus new. So in the create menu, we can see here the four modules, the customers, the vendors, the employees, and other. So, and here on the right side, we can see here the gear icon. So, which are the settings of the chart of accounts. So the settings menu is divided into four modules. We have the company, the list, the tools, and the profiles. And also we also have here the search icon, the search box, which allows us to search the existing transactions, and we can also see the most recent transactions that we have created. And also here the question marks. The question marks. If we need help or we have questions, we also have this help button. So it represents the question mark icon. So that's the buttons. So if we need also to change our company, we can also click the gear icon and then go to accounts and settings, and then in account and settings we can have here the company name. We can edit it here, our company name, and then we can also put the company logo or company logo. And also here in usage, we can see here the valuable, the chart of accounts, and the time boards. And here in sales, so we can also customize here the sales and also the expenses. And then to see the chart of accounts, so where to find the chart of accounts? So in settings, and here in the gear icon, we can, on the company, we can see here the chart of accounts and then click it. So we will now see the chart of accounts here. So we can add here the account. We can also add new, and we can also edit the accounts here that already exist. Now, for example, here the checking, we can edit it. And then next is the reports. So let's go back to the dashboard. So in reports here, we can hover the mouse here on the navigation bar, and then we can see here the account list. So let's click the account list, and then we can see here the account list of the company. So we can also add and edit here the chart of accounts. And then next, so let's go back to the dashboard. Next is to record the journal entry. So we will go here to the navigation bar, and then we just click this plus new to create accounts. So after clicking it, we can see here the modules. So we'll click the journal entry, and here in the journal entry, it will appear here the transaction, the transactions, and we can start to record the transaction here. So we can edit the date and the account and the amount of the debit and credit. So after that, if you're finished, then you will save and close. And then if you also need to, okay, just close it. So if we need also to add vendor, we can find it in the expenses here in the navigation bar. Here, the expenses. And in the vendor, we can also add here the new vendor, and we can also edit here. So by clicking the new vendor, so we'll add a vendor here. So we'll just fill it out here, the name of the company, and then after that we will just save. Okay, let's just close it. So next is the reconciliation. Let's go back to the homepage. So in QuickBooks Online, we will bring the balance of a company book into an agreement. So here on the navigation bar, so we can hover the mouse into the accounting and then click here the reconcile. So we can reconcile here the accounts. So here, if we want to put it in checking, then we will put the amount here in ending balance. So that's it. Then you will start reconciling. So, and after you will click it, start reconciling, then you will start to reconcile all the accounts. So next is the sales. So to record the sales. So here in the here in the settings, so chart of accounts, and then you click it the chart of accounts, and then you will see the chart of accounts also here. So you can edit it, and you can also add new account here. So that will be all. Yes, thank you.